What's up everybody, I'm Jeremy from WeldTec Designs, and today I have an umbrella because it's sprinkling out, and here in San Diego, like, we don't deal with rain or any other kind of like remotely crazy weather. Like these guys all the way from Canada who tell me that it's -40. I don't even know what that means. Like when it's 50 here, I'm freezing and I'm pissed. So I don't know how people deal with that. I got a leprechaun to show you back here. It's not green though, it's red, and it's, how big is this?
30 feet.
30 feet. This thing's giant, but what's even cool, well, let's just jump into this thing. I don't really need the umbrella. I mean, my hair might get a little wet, but we'll be all right. Baja Grocery Getter Kit for your RV, and this one is even cooler because of these awesome blue shocks that you're going to see in this. So this is a 6-inch kit. You can see that just the massive amount of room that you are going to have in here if you're going to want to run a larger tire, which is always a plus on a motorhome, because the bumps in the road, if your road resembles anything like this down here, it's definitely going to help because it's going to not go into all of them, but more ride over the bumps. And then your suspension is going to just work that much better in order to control that ride. So we're gonna have our lift coils in here. We are gonna have our King shocks in here as well. And you can also see, I know we talk about this a ton of times, but if you're new to the channel, I want you to understand, we've pushed this wheel forward as well. We've done that with those extended radius arms. And another benefit to those extended radius arms are the radius arms are more equal to the length of the beam. Everything is longer, and so that means you're going to have less caster change as your wheel cycles up and down, which is a big plus, because we know that you want to be able to go straight when you're driving these things. You don't want to fight it. So a lot more caster in the radius arms, which we are going to love. So the last thing you're going to notice when you pop your head underneath there is that awesome King steering stabilizer as well. We've dropped down the whole sway bar in order to compensate for the lift, and that pretty much does it for the front. I think it's ready for some tires. Maybe some black hubcaps, who knows? You know, I just love blacking out everything. I like, see, even me, they pulled me out from under a car all black, you know? Black umbrella. I stole this from Alyssa. So much room back here, and this is awesome, but what you're gonna notice, the big thing is this, is you can really see in this particular wheel well, just this giant set of springs that we've put in there, you're gonna see that this does have a good positive arc to it, which is going to be really great, giving this a lot better ride, which is going to be key. You're not needing the airbags or anything like that, or the like Hellwig helper springs as well. So the leaf springs are going to give you all of the lift, the amazing ride, and then to finish this off in the back, we have added another set of shocks to the rear of this, except we put boxes in the rear of this because Kings are really hard to get right now. I just dig this. I mean, really, we should go take it for a ride. They're going to have a long ride all the way back to Canada. I'm sure they'll let us know how it goes. This is like a pretty short and sweet little video. This thing's awesome. I just wanted to show it to you because the awesome King shocks up front. If you do have any questions, that's what that little area down below is for, to just start typing away down there, let your fingers run, ask questions. I'll be happy to help you. And that's it. That's all I got. I'm gonna, you know, I guess I have a hood. I could have put that on, you know, get my hair all wet. So anyways, I'm Jeremy. See you guys in the next video.